Numbered 1 hydraulic wet kit, telescopic cylinder, pump, PTO and valve manufacturer, Gemma is exporting to worldwide market. Our customers get positive information about Gemma from the international exhibitions, social media, and our professional website, and mostly from the product quality working in different regions and markets. After seeing and hearing the Gemma product performance and quality, customer contact Gemma sales team and make an inquiry. After having the inquiry from the customer, Gemma sales represent will contact engineering and R&D for a best possible system and product solution. Gemma export the goods to the relevant market. Customer sells the Gemma products to the end user. Gemma products will serve to end user for years successfully without creating any problem. In case of any claim, customer claims the problem to Gemma, and Gemma after sales team will approach the problem promptly and overcome the problem within 48 hours. Customer care is very important for Gemma. By the help of Gemma's stable price policy, our customers will not come across to any surprises while marketing their products. Due to all those principles, Gemma is continuously growing in global market. Gemma is currently supplying product, system and components to global worldwide market and OEMs. Gemma, tipping it up.